Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Smartchain coin. Ticker symbol is SCC, which is short for Smartchain coin. Now this is a very popular token on the Arbitrum blockchain that just got a very big central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the SCC token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a giant 40-page white paper that you could check out that's linked on their webpage. So smartchain.club, it says, is the web page. And over there you can find roadmap, frequently asked questions, white paper, application, advantages, info. There's all sorts of socials. So this token is actually Smartchain coin, and is the full name on the Arbiscan there. And the Smartchain token just got listed today, February 11th. 8 a.m. UTC time. This token got listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SCC, and then simply just buy the token. Now, Smartchain is a distributed computing network based on trusted certification, which uniformly schedules and distributes the scattered transmission capabilities, computing capabilities, and storage capabilities into the network to users. Smart can make the already idle and redundant resources fully utilize their concurrent value, allowing users to use these resources more conveniently and at a low cost. You can follow them on Telegram at Smartchain DAO, and this is the community chat Telegram that has 9,020 members. 824 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. And then they have the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here, has a link to their webpage at Smartchain DAO on Twitter. 59 posts, blue verified checkmark. It says distributed computing blockchain ecological token SCC, create the world's leading Web3 ecosystem. 21,100 Twitter followers. So Smartchain is changing the game by unlocking idle computing power. And there's their pinned tweet has some information there if you want to read that. But the milestones here, they started in 2017. A smart ideological consensus was formed. Smart project was launched in September 2018. In June 2019, the smart technical architecture design was completed. In October 2019, the design of Smart Consensus Mechanism, POCA, was completed. Implementation of Smart Basic Algorithm in May 2020. In June 2021, the Smart Technology Development Code was completed. Then Smart Code testing will be completed in September 2021. Smart passed internal testing in November 2021. In December 2021, the Smart mainnet will be launched, the wallet will be released, and some codes will be open source. And then 2022 to 2024, gradually open source for all codes. In the next 2 years, HPC will become a mainstream representative in the field of digital asset applications. So basically, this is a project that's been long in the works so far. So the Smart public chain mainly includes 3 major modules: the basic modules, core module, and interactive module. From bottom to top, it includes physical layer, network layer, consensus layer, contract layer, and application layer. Now, it mainly describes the physical layer, mainly describes the physical form of the public chain, which is a chain structure starting from the Genesis block on the blockchain. The public chain is based on the Smart bottom layer. The entire network has multiple signature nodes based on the needs of the network scale. The signature nodes are responsible for the governance of the entire network and block production management. Other nodes need to be authorized and approved by the original signing node to join. The signature nodes have an elimination mechanism for unqualified signature nodes, and any signature node can initiate a vote to eliminate them. The network layer, it includes P2P networking mechanism, data dissemination mechanism, and data verification mechanisms to realize basic networking and communication. Each node maintains a neighbor list to realize dynamic self-organizing networks. And then the consensus layer, POCA, which mainly encapsulates smart network nodes, is based on zero knowledge proof. Upper layer nodes obtain signature node qualifications and are responsible for governing the network by providing proof of resource computing power. At the same time, based on the state replication and voting algorithms, they take turns to produce blocks and obtain rewards. Lower layer network nodes ensure the effectiveness of equipment capabilities and actual contribution value to the entire network to obtain incentives. POCA is an algorithm that does not produce forks and has strong consistency. User transactions can be confirmed in seconds, ensuring the consistency of the underlying data while resisting the influence of malicious nodes. And then there's the contract layer. It has programmable features, mainly including various scripts, codes, algorithms, mechanisms, and smart contracts. And the application layer, including a decentralized cloud storage engine, which can create decentralized storage and communication services by providing sharded and pluggable data storage engines. And you can read way more about the technology behind the Smartchain at smartchain.club. You can find this token already listed, already live on Mexc Global as of today, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. You can find this token on Arbitrum. It has over 4,300 holders so far. Check out their Twitter right here. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.